The system architecture defines component interfaces.
The system architecture defines component interfaces.
We're integrating memory with the application processor.
We're integrating memory with the application processor.
The platform supports multiple memory configurations.
The platform supports multiple memory configurations.
System bandwidth is limited by the interconnect.
System bandwidth is limited by the interconnect.
We need to optimize the memory hierarchy.
We need to optimize the memory hierarchy.
The system-level performance depends on latency.
The system-level performance depends on latency.
We're designing for scalability and modularity.
We're designing for scalability and modularity.
Component selection impacts total system cost.
Component selection impacts total system cost.
The reference design demonstrates functionality.
The reference design demonstrates functionality.
System integration testing validates interoperability.
System integration testing validates interoperability.
We need to balance power and performance budgets.
We need to balance power and performance budgets.
The memory controller is the bottleneck.
The memory controller is the bottleneck.
We're implementing cache coherency protocols.
We're implementing cache coherency protocols.
System timing margins must account for variation.
System timing margins must account for variation.
The platform roadmap spans 3 generations.
The platform roadmap spans 3 generations.
We need thermal solution for the system.
We need thermal solution for the system.
Board-level design follows industry standards.
Board-level design follows industry standards.
The system supports hot plug capability.
The system supports hot plug capability.
We're validating with customer workloads.
We're validating with customer workloads.
System debugging requires end-to-end visibility.
System debugging requires end-to-end visibility.
System benchmarks measure real-world performance.
System benchmarks measure real-world performance.
We're profiling the application workload.
We're profiling the application workload.
Memory bandwidth utilization is 60%.
Memory bandwidth utilization is 60%.
The bottleneck analysis points to storage latency.
The bottleneck analysis points to storage latency.
We need to optimize for specific use cases.
We need to optimize for specific use cases.
Performance scales with memory capacity.
Performance scales with memory capacity.
The system meets the latency requirements.
The system meets the latency requirements.
We're running industry standard benchmarks.
We're running industry standard benchmarks.
Throughput is limited by queue depth.
Throughput is limited by queue depth.
The optimization improved performance by 30%.
The optimization improved performance by 30%.
We need to characterize under various workloads.
We need to characterize under various workloads.
System efficiency degrades under mixed traffic.
System efficiency degrades under mixed traffic.
The performance model predicts behavior accurately.
The performance model predicts behavior accurately.
We're tuning the operating system parameters.
We're tuning the operating system parameters.
Latency-sensitive applications need prioritization.
Latency-sensitive applications need prioritization.
The system achieves target IOPS.
The system achieves target IOPs.
We need better workload characterization.
We need better workload characterization.
Performance regression testing validates updates.
Performance regression testing validates updates.
The configuration trade-offs are well understood.
The configuration trade-offs are well understood.
System-level profiling identifies hotspots.
System-level profiling identifies hotspots.
We're providing technical support to customers.
We're providing technical support to customers.
The customer reported a performance issue.
The customer reported a performance issue.
We need to reproduce the problem in our lab.
We need to reproduce the problem in our lab.
Application notes guide implementation.
Application notes guide implementation.
The FI is working with the customer on site.
The FAE is working with the customer on site.
We're conducting design review with the customer.
We're conducting design review with the customer.
Technical documentation needs updating.
Technical documentation needs updating.
The customer requires customized configuration.
The customer requires customized configuration.
We're providing reference designs and software.
We're providing reference designs and software.
Customer feedback drives product improvements.
Customer feedback drives product improvements.
We need to resolve the compatibility issue.
We need to resolve the compatibility issue.
Training sessions help customers optimize usage.
Training sessions help customers optimize usage.
The issue was escalated to engineering.
The issue was escalated to engineering.
We're supporting the customer's evaluation.
We're supporting the customer's evaluation.
Product briefs explain key features.
Product briefs explain key features.
The customer needs faster turnaround time.
The customer needs faster turnaround time.
We're collaborating on joint development.
We're collaborating on joint development.
Customer requirements drive roadmap priorities.
Customer requirements drive roadmap priorities.
Technical webinars educate the ecosystem.
Technical webinars educate the ecosystem.
We need to provide better debugging tools.
We need to provide better debugging tools.
The application requires low latency memory access.
The application requires low latency memory access.
We're optimizing software for this hardware.
We're optimizing software for this hardware.
The driver supports all operating systems.
The driver supports all operating systems.
Firmware updates enable new features.
Firmware updates enable new features.
We need API documentation for developers.
We need API documentation for developers.
The SDK simplifies application development.
The SDK simplifies application development.
We're providing example code and tutorials.
We're providing example code and tutorials.
The middleware layer abstracts hardware details.
The middleware layer abstracts hardware details.
Application profiling reveals optimization opportunities.
Application profiling reveals optimization opportunities.
We support open source software stacks.
We support open source software stacks.
The development kit includes all necessary tools.
The development kit includes all necessary tools.
We're ensuring backward compatibility.
We're ensuring backward compatibility.
Software emulation enables early development.
Software emulation enables early development.
The application runs on multiple platforms.
The application runs on multiple platforms.
We need certification for industry standards.
We need certification for industry standards.
The product passed industry qualification tests.
The product passed industry qualification tests.
We're ensuring compliance with standards.
We're ensuring compliance with standards.
Regulatory certification is required for market entry.
Regulatory certification is required for market entry.
The qualification report documents all results.
The qualification report documents all results.
We need EMC testing for compliance.
We need EMC testing for compliance.
The product meets automotive reliability standards.
The product meets automotive reliability standards.
Safety certifications are in progress.
Safety certifications are in progress.
We're following JEDEC specifications.
We're following JEDEC specifications.
Environmental compliance testing completed.
Environmental compliance testing completed.
The product is RoHS compliant.
The product is RoHS compliant.
We need third-party certification.
We need third-party certification.
Quality management follows ISO standards.
Quality management follows ISO standards.
The qualification covers all operating conditions.
The qualification covers all operating conditions.
Interoperability testing ensures compatibility.
Interoperability testing ensures compatibility.
The certification process takes 3 months.
The certification process takes 3 months.
The competitive analysis shows our advantage.
The competitive analysis shows our advantage.
Market demand is shifting to higher capacity.
Market demand is shifting to higher capacity.
We need to position the product effectively.
We need to position the product effectively.
The value proposition emphasizes performance per dollar.
The value proposition emphasizes performance per dollar.
Customer adoption is ahead of forecast.
Customer adoption is ahead of forecast.
We're targeting the enterprise segment.
We're targeting the enterprise segment.
The product lifecycle plan is defined.
The product lifecycle plan is defined.
Total cost of ownership is competitive.
Total cost of ownership is competitive.
We need to demonstrate ROI to customers.
We need to demonstrate ROI to customers.
The market opportunity is significant.
The market opportunity is significant.